Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can click on whatever you want to, and when you're ready, tap on your device's displays. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel, and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Huawei. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you want to input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!